guys, it's Amber. So today's video we are going to be doing some home decor. So today I'm going to be sharing the things that I'm putting into little Miss's room to decorate it since we just moved into our house. Now most of the things are recent purchases, but I'm also going to show the things that I already have that are going to go with it. And I'm going to try to explain the best of my ability how things are going to go into the room, and then hopefully someday when they get on the walls, I can show you. First off, I already had bedding that my mother-in-law made that was kind of like coral and pink and turquoise. It had some gingham and like little cherries and just really soft and girly. I am picking mostly things that I like for her room. So I have gold accents, I have pink, I have sparkle, because those are the things that I love. But obviously, if in a couple of years when she can express herself, she says she hates it all and she wants to do Batman, that's totally fine with me. But these are, of course, the things that I picked because they're the things that I like. So it is very stereotypical girl room, but those are the kinds of things that I enjoy. I think a lot of these things could work for anyone, young or old. If you like gold, sparkly, cutesy type of things, then you will probably enjoy the things I got for her. So let's start off with the layout of the room. So as you walk into her room, right along this side, there is her changing table, and then on this wall right here is going to be a gallery wall. A gallery wall is just kind of like a big mishmash of like portraits and pictures and little doodads, and it's like all together where it's kind of an eclectic collection of a bunch of things that you put on a wall. And that entire wall, that's all that's going to be on it. It's just this huge gallery wall. So when I mention something's going into the gallery wall, that's what I mean. I haven't quite worked out how everything's going to go together yet, but I do have little individual pieces that are going to come together with one giant whole. Then right when you walk into the room, you see her dresser. So then I have the things that go on the dresser and above the dresser. And then the rest of that wall is a window. And then when you come into the room and turn, then that's the wall that has her crib on it. So behind her crib, eventually I would like to put like a shiplap and paint it pink. I saw like an inspiration post of a crib that kind of had a name sign and it had some flowers, and I'm going to kind of take that and do something a little bit different. So I'll explain to you the pieces and where they're going to go. So I had a lot of coral and a little bit of pink, but I wanted to pull more of that blush color out. So I saw this amazing rug from, I think I got this from Ross. So this is a big blush pink faux rug. So it just kind of has more of a rugged outline. It's not like a circle, it's just more irregular. And I got this for $35. It's pretty big. My kids love this thing, so I put this right out in front of her crib, and next to her crib is a rocking chair. And so I love to sit in the rocking chair and then read my kids stories, and they all love to lay out on this rug. My boys love it. That's kind of what I love, is like it's kind of like the story corner, and then people can kind of lay on the rug, and so that really helps pull all the little pink accents together, and I feel like it gives a really nice texture to the room. And also, like I mentioned, all the walls are kind of vanilla and the carpet is vanilla as well, so I like bringing some texture and color in that way. So next in the chair, I got this little pillow, and it says hello. I think this would be perfect for anyone, really. This could go on a couch and a chair, but I just thought it was so cute with the little gold polka dots. I like having the splash of gold throughout. And I don't remember how much I paid for this, but I do know that this was at Hobby Lobby, and it was on their spring like clearance tables. They had a bunch of stuff that they got in for spring that they were clearancing out. So I think I got this for like 50% or 60% off. I got it for a really good deal, and I believe that it was like $15 or less. So I just thought that was super cute. So next above her crib, I found these two little portraits. These were from Hobby Lobby. These were $12, but they had all of their portraits 50% off. And that is the time. If you're going to get decor and go to Hobby Lobby, wait till they have the 50% off sale, because it'll save you so much. So I mean, seriously, $6 each. This one says Sweet Dreams. This one says Little Angel. So these are going to be hanging side by side like this. So this is what I'm doing instead of like the circle name thing. But then to include her name, as you guys might know, her name, Little Miss's name, starts with an E. So I got these gold letters. They are so cute. They have the glitter on them. So these will be across the wall. They're quite large, and this will have her name on them. Then it depends on how it looks. If it looks finished, I'll leave it at that. But I do have a Cricut cartridge that makes florals, like those big flowers, like I saw in my original idea. So depending on how it looks, I might make a couple of those flowers and stick them to the side. I'm not extra at all, right? So we'll just have to see how it looks with everything, because I don't want to get like too busy. But that is the main plan. So I'll probably hang this up before I do shiplap. That's kind of like a, well, if I could someday, you know, but it's not like a to-do like right now on the list. So we will see how this goes. I'll probably hang this all up first and then down the road maybe add the shiplap and paint the wall later. So for on top of her dresser, I found this also at Hobby Lobby in the spring section. So I thought this would be super cute to put her little jewelries in, and I hang her little like bauble necklaces and things on this. So cute, pulls the gold in. I love the arrow design, and she can put any little whatever she wants, little treasures in here, and it just sits right on top. And then next to it, I found this sign that says full of grace. And this is a little bit personal, but I always say that she was brought to us by grace because she is my rainbow baby, and I did not think I was going to be able to have more kids. And so after I had a loss and I had her, I just felt like it was like the grace of God that she came to me. So when I saw Full of Grace, I was like, oh my gosh, she needs to have that. And so that will be sitting on the dresser. It's a tall wooden dresser next to the little jewelry stand. So hanging on the wall behind the dresser is going to be this. I got this in the boys section at Target, and I want to spray paint this turquoise to pull the turquoise out that's in her bedding. And I thought this would just be so cute to put her little bits and bobs in, like some of her little tiny shoes from when she was a baby, you know, just little precious little things that might need a little cutesy place in her room. Any little keepsakes I have from her. This can go up on the wall and just keep those things out of reach, but then, you know, we can see them, and also helps pull things together. I'm thinking I'm just going to get some spray paint and just spray paint it because I think that would be easiest. And I think it's going to be really cute and help kind of pull all the colors. Like the pillow has a little turquoise, the bedding has a little turquoise, the sign, you know, kind of pull it all together here. So one thing I learned doing this whole decorating thing is if you see something and you like it, you should buy it. I mean, of course, if you have the money. Because sometimes I'd be like, I don't know, let me think about it. And then I go out, then I go back and the thing is gone. So the most I would wait is like that same day. Sometimes I take pictures of things with my phone, see if that works, and maybe go back and get it. But a lot of times I'll just buy it all and see what works, and if it doesn't work, then I'll just take it back. So I did buy a lot of things for this gallery wall. I don't know that I'll end up using them all, but I think they're all really cute, so I'm going to show them to y'all anyway. So first off, I'm going to show you some of the things that I already have. So I'm not sure if I'm going to incorporate both of these pictures of Little Miss, but I have one of her as a newborn and one in her little blessing dress. And so those are just cute little pictures of her, and I'm not quite sure where in the gallery wall they'd be, but they'll be somewhere on that wall, and they just have kind of like a white distressed frame. Then I have to kind of pull the gold in a little bit of vintage feel. This is a cross stitch from my husband's grandma, and it has the pink in there, and it has a little bit of green, and I just thought it would be nice to like nod to our little heritage and our family. And we've had this since we were married, and I thought it'd be really cute and sweet to put that on the wall and kind of, you know, pull in those family ties. Okay, now it's a pretty big wall. I know you're thinking, where are you gonna put all this stuff? And I'm not quite sure how it's all gonna lay out. I might lay it out on my bed and kind of give you an idea of what I'm thinking, because I know it sounds like, why'd you buy so much stuff? But, you know, when you have a big wall, you can play with it. I thought this little deer print was adorable. So this I got from Hobby Lobby. This was $26, but I got it for 50% off. I love the little like greenery on her little head, and I just thought it was so sweet. And it just was, to me, kind of a reminder of the Rocky Mountains and living in Utah and the little deer. And my husband grew up in Montana, so it's just like a little bit of nature. I felt like I really love that, and just so sweet. And she's got a little feather in there. I just thought it was really, really cute. So what my idea is to kind of have like pictures, and then like in between you have like words, and then you have like metal things, and then the other pictures. So this was one that I already have, and it says girl, noun, a giggle with a glitter on it, which is just so adorable. And I believe that my mother-in-law gave this to me. It was already in her nursery previously, so I'm going to put that into the gallery wall. So then I have, this was actually at Hobby Lobby as well. It just says P.S. I love you. This was $25, and I got this for 50% off. And this was in the regular part of Hobby Lobby. This wasn't in like the baby decor. It was just in the regular stuff, but I just thought above everything, just like that, I love you. I don't know. I just think it would be really cute to incorporate somewhere in the room. So then with so many square things, I wanted to get a few things as fillers to add texture to the wall. So the first thing is from Target. This is just in their regular decor. It's just this little set of these little arrows, and they have little mirrors on them. And these could be used together on just a side, or they could be broken apart. I mean, really, they could be used any way. They could go this way. They could go really any way that I need to. If I just have a little gap between things, I just need to fill some texture space, that's where I'll pop these. This is from the kids section. This is also from Pillow Fort from Target. This is just a flower wall decal. I don't remember how much this was. I want to say it was like around 20 something dollars, but at the time they were having a sale on home decor, so I think I got an additional like 10 or 15% off. But I thought that was so fun, and I love the texture that'll bring, and pulling that blush pink in, especially on the neutral wall, will look really pretty. Okay, and my last two bits and bobs is this I got from Hobby Lobby. They also gave this to me on sale for 50% off. This is only $10, but I got it for $5. So this says sparkle, and I love the texture of the bent metal. I think that is really cool and just makes it so interesting. And then I saw this. This was in the regular home section at Target. This is the Project 62. I think this was honestly like maybe $4 or $5, but just a little diamond shape. So everything is kind of going together with the theme you see here. All right, guys, so I've switched to my wide lens so you guys can see. But this is kind of what I'm saying, like, as far as the gallery wall, like, everything will just kind of go together. This is exactly how I'm going to hang it up. I've just kind of set it up for, like, an example. And then that's just, like, one big thing all come together on the wall, and that's just the only thing on the wall. So, yeah, I'm trying to figure out where everything will go. Maybe the deer will be in the middle. I don't know. This was just a quick little, let me toss this out and show you guys kind of what I'm talking about. All right, that is everything in my little home decor haul. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing how I'm going to decorate Little Miss's bedroom. I also have some things I'm putting together for my living room. So if you guys would like to see that, let me know. I'm picking out some paint choices. I've got an accent wall going on, some curtains. I got a rug and an ottoman and some things. So if you guys want to see more on that, let me know. I won't be doing it right back to back with this one because I'm trying to spread out the different kinds of videos because I know not everyone's interested in everything. So that's why, like, if I have one type of video, I try to space it out for a little bit. So that's what I'll probably be doing. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Here's my social media if you haven't followed me already. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!